If you want to work around with sound options, then you can go around over here on the bottom right where you can see the sound right here. And right now you can see speaker is at 100%. So if I were to click right here, then it plays a sound. You can decrease the volume of the speakers as well or increase this out, as you can see. You can right click on the speaker and you have different sound options. So you can go around, open up the sound settings right here, and it opens up the sound settings, as you can see right here as well. You can also go around right here, and if you were to go to start menu, you can click on settings, and then once you go around into settings, you can simply go around over here and type in sound. So once you go around over here, you can go to sound settings from here as well. So now if I were to go around on the top, you can see that you can choose your output device. So usually if you have more than one output device connected, you will see it over here. Similarly, you can go around, choose your input device as well if you have more than one input device, and you can see the volume right here as well. So once you scroll down, you can also manage out sound devices that you have right here. So if you want to manage everything in detail right here. So basically this is it. You can control out the volume right here and so forth. If you were to right click on the speaker, you can also open up volume mixer, so you can choose the amount of sound output from each of the application that is running as well. You can right click right here, so you can go around, turn on air special sounds if you want to. There's troubleshooting options as well, and if you were to click on sound, you even get playback options right here, recording options right here, sound options according to how you like it. So you can go around, explore out all the sound settings and see like what input it is using, what output it is using. You can even go around and then use the Windows sounds, as you can see. So you can explore around how it works. But usually when you're working with sound inside of Windows, all you need to do is lower and increase the volume, and then that's it. But if you want to look at everything, then there are sound control panel. So that is how you can control out and access out the basic sound settings inside of Windows 11 through settings. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.